Guys, I wanted to show you this exercise plate that I received from the company. I'm really excited about this. I've heard of so many different benefits to using these and to exercising on it that I really was excited to give it a try. And I've been enjoying it. I feel like it does help in different ways for my body, and you can definitely do some more reading on like how that is. There's a timer, different speeds, and let's see what it's like. It does also come with a remote control, so when you're on it, you can do it, as well as some exercise bands, so you could do some exercising on it. I'm going to set it up so that you could see what it's like. Read about the benefits as well as how you're supposed to use this, for how long. But I can tell you from my experience, my legs are just like using different muscles than I normally would when sitting in a squat position like this. And I'm definitely like toning different parts of my body. But there's other benefits besides that as well. Definitely give this a try. I think this is an awesome thing to have, especially in the new year if you're trying to get in shape or to like have different health benefits like this. Definitely give this one a try.